Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, fellow crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the Axie Infinity, AXS, coin. If you've been following the crypto space, you've probably heard about this revolutionary blockchain-based game. But did you know that Axie Infinity has its own native cryptocurrency? That's right. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of AXS, exploring its fundamentals, potential, and investment opportunities. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. What is Axie Infinity? Let's dive deeper into the captivating world of Axie Infinity and the gameplay mechanics that make it such a unique experience. In Axie Infinity, players have the opportunity to own and interact with digital creatures known as Axies. These Axies come in various shapes, sizes, and attributes, making each one unique. Players can acquire Axies through several methods, including purchasing them from the in-game marketplace, breeding them, or earning them through gameplay achievements. Once players have their Axies, they can engage in battles against other players in strategic turn-based combat. Each Axie possesses different abilities and characteristics that can be utilized in battle, requiring players to develop effective strategies to overcome their opponents. Winning battles earns players experience points, rewards, and in-game currency. But Axie Infinity goes beyond just battling. It also incorporates elements of breeding and trading. Players can breed their Axies to create new generations with potentially better attributes, allowing for the possibility of breeding highly sought-after and valuable Axies. Additionally, players can buy, sell, and trade Axies in the marketplace, creating a vibrant ecosystem where the value of Axies can vary based on their attributes and rarity. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Axie Infinity is its play-to-earn model. Unlike traditional games where players invest time and effort without financial gain, Axie Infinity enables players to earn real income through their gameplay. By participating in battles, breeding valuable Axies, and selling them in the marketplace, players can generate income in the form of cryptocurrencies such as AXS and the native in-game currency, Smooth Love Potion, SLP. This play-to-earn model has attracted millions of players worldwide, especially in regions with limited economic opportunities. Axie Infinity has become a source of income for many individuals, empowering them to support themselves and their families through their participation in the game. This innovative approach has garnered attention and admiration from both the gaming and blockchain communities, solidifying Axie Infinity's position as a pioneer in the blockchain gaming space. As the player base continues to grow and the game evolves with new features and updates, Axie Infinity has become a thriving ecosystem that intertwines gaming, finance, and the possibilities of blockchain technology. The success of Axie Infinity has led to increased demand for its native cryptocurrency, AXS, as it plays a crucial role within the game's economy and governance. In the next segments, we'll explore the specific details about AXS, its utility within Axie Infinity, recent developments, investment potential, and expert opinions. Understanding the AXS coin. While AXS is indeed the primary in-game currency within the Axie Infinity ecosystem, its value extends far beyond the virtual world of the game. Let's explore the various aspects that contribute to the significance and value of the AXS coin. AXS serves as a governance token within the Axie Infinity ecosystem. Holders of AXS have the power to participate in important decisions regarding the development and future of the game. This governance feature allows the community to actively shape the direction and evolution of Axie Infinity, making AXS holders an integral part of the decision-making process. AXS has utility beyond its governance role. The token is used for breeding new Axies, a process that allows players to create unique and potentially more valuable creatures. Breeding requires AXS as a payment, creating demand for the token as players seek to enhance their Axie collection and potentially generate income through the breeding of sought-after Axies. Another crucial utility of AXS lies in staking. Staking AXS allows holders to earn rewards in the form of additional AXS tokens. By staking their tokens, participants contribute to the security and stability of the Axie Infinity ecosystem, while also receiving incentives for their involvement. This mechanism incentivizes long-term holding and participation within the ecosystem, driving demand for AXS tokens. AXS can be used to purchase virtual land within the Axie Infinity metaverse. This metaverse, known as Lunacia, provides a platform for players to build and monetize their own virtual experiences. The ownership of virtual land opens up opportunities for creative expression, entrepreneurship, and potentially generating income through the creation and sale of virtual assets and experiences. The demand for AXS for land purchases contributes to its value as a utility token. Beyond the game itself, the growing popularity and success of Axie Infinity have elevated the profile and value of AXS in the broader cryptocurrency market. As Axie Infinity attracts more players and gains mainstream recognition, the demand for AXS increases. This increased demand, coupled with the scarcity of AXS tokens, can contribute to its price appreciation. It's important to note that investing in AXS, like any cryptocurrency, carries inherent risks. The value of AXS can be influenced by market conditions, regulatory changes, and the overall performance of the crypto market. It's crucial for investors to conduct their own research, assess their risk tolerance, and make informed investment decisions. In the upcoming segments, we'll further explore the investment potential of AXS, discuss recent developments and partnerships, and provide insights from experts and analysts. So, stay tuned as we continue our deep dive into the world of AXS and its role in the exciting Axie Infinity ecosystem. Tokenomics and utility of AXS. Let's further explore the wide range of use cases that make AXS a versatile and valuable token within the Axie Infinity ecosystem. As mentioned earlier, AXS serves as a governance token, granting holders the ability to participate in key decisions and protocol upgrades. This means that AXS holders have a voice in shaping the future of Axie Infinity, including potential changes to the gameplay mechanics, marketplace dynamics, and overall ecosystem development. This governance feature empowers the community and ensures that the platform evolves in a decentralized and inclusive manner. In addition to its governance role, AXS is crucial for breeding new Axies. Breeding Axies requires the expenditure of AXS tokens as a fee, creating a natural demand for the token. Breeding allows players to combine the attributes and characteristics of their existing Axies to potentially create more valuable and sought-after offspring. The ability to breed and enhance the quality of Axies incentivizes players to acquire and hold AXS tokens, thus driving demand and potentially increasing the value of the token. Staking is another important utility of AXS within the Axie Infinity ecosystem. By staking their AXS tokens, participants contribute to the security and stability of the platform. In return, they receive rewards in the form of additional AXS tokens. This staking mechanism encourages long-term holding and active participation, as it allows individuals to earn additional tokens while contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. AXS tokens can be used to purchase virtual land within the Axie Infinity metaverse. Owning virtual land grants players the opportunity to build, create, and monetize their own virtual experiences within the game. This creates an avenue for entrepreneurial endeavors and potentially generates income through the sale of virtual assets or experiences. The demand for AXS for land purchases further contributes to the token's value within the ecosystem. The diverse utility of AXS within Axie Infinity generates organic demand for the token. As more players join the ecosystem, engage in breeding, stake their tokens, and participate in governance, the demand for AXS increases. This increased demand, coupled with a limited supply of AXS tokens, can potentially drive up the value of the token in the market. However, it's important to note that the value of AXS, like any cryptocurrency, is influenced by various factors, including market conditions, adoption rate, competition, and regulatory developments. Investors should conduct thorough research, assess the potential risks, and make informed decisions when considering investing in AXS or any other digital asset. In the following segments, we'll explore the investment potential of AXS in greater detail, discuss recent developments and partnerships, and provide insights from experts and analysts. So, stay tuned as we continue to unravel the fascinating world of AXS and its impact within the Axie Infinity ecosystem. Axie Infinity and the play-to-earn revolution. The play-to-earn model introduced by Axie Infinity has revolutionized the gaming industry by providing players with the opportunity to earn real income through their participation in the game. This unique approach has garnered immense attention and attracted millions of players worldwide, particularly in regions with limited economic opportunities. In many parts of the world, traditional job opportunities and financial resources are scarce, making it challenging for individuals to earn a sustainable income. Axie Infinity's play-to-earn model has emerged as a solution, allowing players to generate real income by engaging in various activities within the game. One of the primary ways players can earn income is through breeding valuable Axies. By strategically breeding Axies with desirable traits and characteristics, players can create offspring that hold significant value in the marketplace. These valuable Axies can be sold to other players, often fetching high prices due to their rarity and unique attributes. This breeding and selling process has become a lucrative source of income for many players, providing them with an opportunity to earn a living through their gameplay skills and strategic decision-making. Players can earn income by participating in battles and tournaments within Axie Infinity. Successful battles and high rankings in tournaments often result in rewards such as in-game currency and valuable items. These rewards can be sold in the marketplace, further contributing to players' income generation. The play-to-earn model has proven to be a game changer, enabling players to monetize their time and effort spent in the virtual world. By bridging the gap between gaming and real-world income, Axie Infinity has empowered individuals to support themselves and their families, providing an alternative and viable income source that was previously unimaginable in the traditional gaming landscape. The global reach of Axie Infinity has allowed players from diverse backgrounds and regions to participate in the play-to-earn ecosystem. With an internet connection and the ability to acquire Axies, individuals can enter the world of Axie Infinity and start earning income regardless of their geographical location. This inclusivity has created opportunities for individuals who may not have had access to traditional job markets or face economic challenges in their local communities. The success of Axie Infinity's play-to-earn model has garnered attention from both the gaming and blockchain communities, further fueling the growth and adoption of the game. As more players recognize the potential to earn real income through their gameplay, the player base continues to expand, driving the overall success of Axie Infinity and the value of its native cryptocurrency, AXS. In the upcoming segments, we'll explore the investment potential of AXS in greater detail, discuss recent developments and partnerships, and provide insights from experts and analysts. Recent developments and partnerships. Axie Infinity has made significant strides in expanding its ecosystem through strategic partnerships with established players in the cryptocurrency space. These partnerships have not only enhanced the game's ecosystem but also have the potential to drive the value of AXS to new heights. Let's delve into some of these key partnerships and their implications. One notable partnership is with Yield Guild Games, YGG, a decentralized gaming guild that focuses on play-to-earn opportunities in blockchain games. Axie Infinity has collaborated with YGG to provide players with access to affordable Axies, helping to lower the barrier to entry for individuals who may not have the financial means to acquire Axies initially. This partnership has opened up opportunities for a wider player base, allowing more individuals to participate in the play-to-earn ecosystem of Axie Infinity. By expanding accessibility, this partnership has the potential to drive increased adoption of the game and, consequently, the demand for AXS. Another significant partnership is with Chainlink, a leading decentralized Oracle network. This partnership aims to bring external data and verifiability to the Axie Infinity ecosystem. By integrating Chainlink's reliable and tamper-proof Oracle technology, Axie Infinity can ensure the accuracy and transparency of crucial in-game data, such as battle outcomes, marketplace prices, and breeding attributes. This partnership enhances the overall gameplay experience and builds trust among players, further solidifying Axie Infinity's position as the leading blockchain game. The integration of Chainlink's technology also enhances the potential utility and value of AXS as it reinforces the reliability and security of the ecosystem. Axie Infinity has partnered with Kyber Network, a prominent decentralized exchange protocol. This partnership enables seamless and secure token swaps within the Axie Infinity ecosystem, allowing players to easily exchange AXS and other supported tokens. The integration of Kyber Network's liquidity protocol enhances the overall user experience and provides players with convenient access to liquidity, boosting the efficiency of in-game transactions. This partnership strengthens the utility and liquidity of AXS, making it more accessible and tradable within the broader cryptocurrency market. These partnerships with YGG, Chainlink, and Kyber Network highlight Axie Infinity's commitment to fostering a robust and interconnected ecosystem. By collaborating with established players in the crypto space, Axie Infinity is not only expanding its reach but also gaining credibility and recognition within the industry. These partnerships attract more players, enhance the gameplay experience, and contribute to the overall growth and value of AXS. In addition to these partnerships, Axie Infinity continues to explore collaborations and integrations with other blockchain projects and platforms. These efforts aim to further enhance the ecosystem, drive adoption, and create additional utility for AXS. As the game evolves and more partnerships are formed, the value and potential of AXS are likely to continue to grow. In the following segments, we'll explore the investment potential of AXS in greater detail, discuss recent developments in the Axie Infinity ecosystem, and provide insights from experts and analysts. Investment potential and risks. The question of whether AXS is a good investment is of great importance to many viewers. To assess AXS's investment potential, we need to consider several factors that can influence its growth and value. However, it's crucial to emphasize that investing in any cryptocurrency, including AXS, carries inherent risks, and viewers should make informed decisions based on their own research and risk tolerance. One of the key factors contributing to AXS's potential growth is the continuously expanding player base of Axie Infinity. The game has witnessed remarkable growth, attracting millions of players worldwide. As more individuals join the Axie Infinity ecosystem, the demand for AXS can potentially increase, driving its value in the market. The growing player base indicates a strong community and user adoption, which are positive indicators for the long-term growth potential of AXS. The game's expanding features and ecosystem developments can contribute to AXS's value appreciation. Axie Infinity has consistently introduced new features, partnerships, and integrations, enhancing the gameplay experience and creating additional utility for AXS. These developments can attract more players, increase engagement, and drive demand for AXS tokens. It's essential to stay updated on the latest news and developments within the Axie Infinity ecosystem to gauge the potential impact on AXS's value. Another factor to consider is the overall condition of the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility and can experience significant price fluctuations. It's crucial to assess the market conditions, investor sentiment, and macroeconomic factors that can influence the performance of cryptocurrencies, including AXS. Factors such as regulatory developments, market trends, and broader economic conditions can impact the investment climate for AXS and should be carefully evaluated. While considering the potential growth of AXS, it's equally important to acknowledge the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is highly speculative and can be subject to rapid price movements. Factors such as regulatory uncertainty, market manipulation, and technological vulnerabilities can impact the value of AXS and other cryptocurrencies. Investors should exercise caution, conduct thorough research, and be prepared for the possibility of significant price fluctuations. Investing in AXS requires understanding and navigating the complexities of the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. It's essential to familiarize oneself with the tokenomics, underlying technology, and the fundamentals of Axie Infinity. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of the project, investors can make more informed decisions regarding the investment potential of AXS. The investment potential of AXS is influenced by factors such as the growing player base, the game's expanding features, and the overall crypto market conditions. However, investing in AXS, like any cryptocurrency, involves inherent risks. Viewers are encouraged to conduct their own research, consider their risk tolerance, and seek advice from financial professionals before making any investment decisions. In the upcoming segments, we'll further explore the investment landscape of AXS, discuss expert opinions and market trends, and provide insights to help you make informed investment choices. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.